Look how limp and wet they are. That's what you want.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Hacker Wack Snack Edition. Today we're going to totally desecrate our brand new kitchens. Hi, Claire.
Hi, Joel.
Claire, what shameful thing are we testing today?
Basically, it's mashed potatoes made with wet potato chips. So it seems like this person is using potato chips instead of potato flakes or dehydrated like instant mashed potatoes. Mm-hmm. So they're cooking them down. They're draining of the water, which seems counterintuitive to me because I feel like there'd be some starch in there. And then they mix it with cheese and paprika.
Delicious.
Like, why not use instant mashed potatoes if you have something against real potatoes? But we're gonna try it. See what happens. First thing we're gonna do is add a splash of vinegar to the water for some reason. Maybe the acid helps break down something. The next thing we're gonna do is add our potato chips. I got a party size bag of Lay's because every time I get to hang out with Joel is a party.
Just right in the water?
Yep. And I'm just gonna really pile them in there because like most TikTok videos, this one does not give us measurements.
Wait, did we add salt?
I didn't, these are so salty.
Okay, so now we're gonna like tamp it down?
Yeah, just mush them down in there.
How long do we think we keep doing this for?
You want them to like disintegrate.
Right, he kind of picked it up and showed like that they were completely falling apart. I now have a very visible like grease puddle on the top as if like we have added olive oil to pasta water.
Mine are like bits.
Claire, is the next step draining them?
I'm gonna separate the potato chip water from the wet, mushy potato chip.
I'm going back in the pot.
I'm using Parmesan.
Oh, okay, I have shredded cheddar.
And he also added paprika.
It seems more like grits to me than mashed potatoes. Can you see?
I see what you mean. Doesn't this look good? Mashed potatoes should be smooth and fluffy.
Here's mine.
That sucks. That's horrible.
Remember how we didn't add salt to the water because we said they were so salty?
Salt won't help this, is the thing.
No. And
I'm gonna add some garlic salt.
I used very low quality shredded cheddar cheese because that looks like what he used in the video. But mine is already like separating. It's getting like a little bit of a crust and a little like slick of oil on top.
And the thing is like it's not like other TikTok videos where they clearly switch out a better end product for whatever bullshit they were just doing. Mm-hmm. Like, this is clearly what he made.
And it looks bad then too.
Like, he's not trying to trick us. I don't think.
This Lay's potato shit. I know that you're on the fence, but I really want to hear the verdict, snack or whack.
I think it's whack, Joel.
I 100% agree. The texture, the flavor, the presentation is just awful.
Come on, man.